Hello everyone, how's it going? And welcome back to Simple Crypto. Now today we're going to run through how to make a swap on Uniswap. For this tutorial, you'll need to have Metamask or another wallet installed. So be sure to check out our tutorial on how to install Metamask if you haven't yet already. Now for those of you that are new to the crypto space, Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that allows you to trade tokens on the Ethereum network from your own wallet without setting up an account at an exchange and sending your funds there. So the first thing we need to do is head over to app.uniswap.org. Now on the swap tab, you can see the simple UI for swapping between tokens. Assuming you have some Ethereum and you want to swap for another ERC20 token, simply click on the Select a Token and type in the name of the token you want to purchase. Most of the common tokens should be there, but in case the one you want to purchase isn't, copy and paste the contract address into the box and you can add that too. Once you pick the token you want to trade for, we now need to connect our wallet. And you'll be presented with a load of wallets that you can connect. For this example, we're going to use Metamask. Now after successfully connecting to the wallet, you should then see your Ethereum balance available for making the trade. Type in the amount of Ethereum you want to trade. You can see that for this trade, you would receive this many Uni tokens, and that the estimated slippage would be this. This means the impact you'd have on the current price of the token by executing your trade. Be careful though, because if you're trading low liquidity tokens, you can cause significant changes to the price. You can also click the settings button to make sure that your slippage tolerance, i.e. how much the price can change between when you click swap and when the trade is executed, is at an acceptable level. For most circumstances, 0.5% should be sufficient. And once you're ready, click swap and then confirm the swap. Next, the transaction will pop up in your wallet and ask you to sign it. Before you click that confirm button, we should just make sure that our gas is fast. As with trading, we want the transaction to be mined quickly so that the price doesn't change too much. So click edit and make sure to select fast and then save. Once you're happy, you can then go ahead and confirm the transaction. Congratulations, you've just completed your first trade on Uniswap. Thank you guys ever so much for watching. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you've enjoyed what you've seen here, then don't forget to click that subscribe button and let us know in the comment section below what other tutorials would you like us to cover next. See you next time, bye!